Search the keyword given below in description, which is Latest Citrix 1YO-201 practice test. Now click on the first link by IT exam test and wait. You will get an article and scroll down little bit. Now you can start your practice test where we add latest questions from our updated dumps. Here you can see I have the question and options to select the correct answer. You will also get the question explanation at the end of your test. So complete the practice test first. You can try it for free if you found question are relevant and useful. You can buy the dumps from this website less than $10. Thanks you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for latest updates. Hurry up, check the link in description and pass your certification with confidence.